Ever wondered how to make your own organic lipstick at home? Well, you are in the right place to discover the joy and simplicity of this eco-friendly beauty journey. Imagine creating a lipstick that is not only stunning on your lips but also kind to your skin and the planet. And gentlemen, before you click away from this video, pause and consider, how about the idea of presenting your special someone with a personally crafted lipstick? We are talking about a custom lip color that's free from harmful chemicals, high on hydration, and rich in the goodness of natural ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, lavender essential oil, and more. So, are you ready to gather 5 natural ingredients to add a personal green touch to your beauty routine? Okay, so for that, we first need beetroot for its vibrant pigments that provides natural color. Plus, beetroot is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for skin health. Let's talk about lavender essential oil. Just few drops of this aromatic oil will not just add a soothing fragrance to our lipstick but also heal chapped lips. I will not forget to mention that it has amazing anti-inflammatory properties that benefits our skin. Next up, we have almond oil. This oil is powerhouse of nutrients and works as a perfect lip conditioner. It will add a glossy finish to our lipstick while nourishing our lips. Fourth ingredient is beeswax. Beeswax is a natural wax produced by honeybees and is going to be our lipstick's base. It gives our lipstick its solid form and also provides a protective barrier on our lips without clogging out pores. Lastly, we have shea butter. Shea butter is a superb moisturizer and is going to give our lipstick its creamy smooth texture while keeping our lips soft and hydrated. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's see what tools are required for this DIY. First up, a lipstick making molding kit. This nifty tool will help us shape our organic concoction into a smooth lipstick bullet. Next, we need empty lipstick containers. These will be the homes for our newly created lipstick. Now coming to the process. With the humble beetroot. To prepare, we will need to grate it. Or else you can straight away grind it. Once that's done, we will extract its juice. For that, we will need thin fabric. The juice is what will give our lipstick its vibrant natural color. Remember, the intensity of the color will depend on how much beetroot juice you use. Friends, in this DIY, patience is the key. If you keep your patience throughout the process, then you will be extremely happy with the results. Now we are turning your attention towards the lipstick making molding kit. This kit comes with molds, which we have to place it like this. Then we have heads of the molds that acts like a supporter. Please notice it has two surfaces. We need the one with the groove side. Just place it over the top of the silicone mold. By this, we have our setup ready. Now you start caramelizing the beetroot. It's the same beetroot juice that we have extracted a couple of minutes ago. You have to keep doing it until its quantity reduces significantly by making it a thick liquid. And then you will get to a part where you can see these beautiful colors of caramelization. Interesting, isn't it? Next, we'll turn our attention to melt the beeswax. Beeswax are hard to melt, so you can take the help of double boiling method also. Shea butter will melt quickly when placed in boiling hot water. Now let's start mixing the ingredients. First up, 1.5 tablespoon of caramelized beetroot, followed by 1 tablespoon melted shea butter and 1 tablespoon almond oil. Then add 1 tablespoon melted beeswax along with 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Start mixing all the ingredients thoroughly. This is a very important step in this DIY. When this mixture will blend nicely, then only our lipstick will turn out uniform. You can switch to bigger vessel to make the process easy. At one stage you will notice that beeswax gets solidified. Try placing the mixture into boiling water. If this is also not working to melt the mixture completely, then go for double boiling method immediately. Please note, you have to be quick in your process to avoid solidification. After some time, you will see your hard work will not disappoint you. We are ready for the next part. Pour this mixture into the molds and fill it to the top. Refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Next, carefully pull out the heads from the molds. Take the empty lipstick and remember to roll out it to the maximum level. Then place the container upside down on the mold and press it till the end. Then take it out very carefully, cover it properly, and release the mold by rolling it inside. I am repeating the same process for my other container. Cover it properly and start releasing again. And there you go, with your own handcrafted organic lipstick. Now let me show you its color shade. It has a rich beetroot color, and I must tell you, it feels so soft on the skin. It also gives a natural looking blush. So why not give it a try? It's fun, it's creative, and the best part, it's sustainable. I am looking forward to your comments. By this, we come to an end to this DIY. Subscribe for more. I really appreciate your presence. Until we meet next time, stay radiant.